2014 Dodge Ram 1500 all-wheel drive. What you guys see here is the fuel tank strap on the front broke, and the inserts that holds the original bracket, they're gone. Now, since I don't have a welder or anything that to work with metal, as you can see, we got this as close as we can to the frame, and it's already tied up on the original location, which is down there, and this is the new location. Tomorrow we're gonna call the welder to get the frame or this bracket welded to the frame. As for now, I can tell you it ain't going nowhere. Solid as it can be. Solid enough so you can drive it to the shop. Couple of welds here, couple of welds here, couple of welds here, and we are good. Have a good night.